everyone, and welcome back to Path of Glory, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm David. It's a beautiful day today, and we're so happy to have you with us for another English conversation.
Yes, today we're going outside to the park.
That's right. In this episode, we're going to talk about what people are doing right now using the present continuous tense.
The present continuous is perfect when you want to describe something happening at this moment.
For example, I'm talking right now. You are listening. We are recording this episode.
Exactly. We use am, is, or are plus verb-ing.
So, I am walking, she is reading, they are playing.
Perfect. Okay, let's go to the park and see what people are doing. Wow, the park is so nice today. The sun is shining and many people are here.
Yes, I see people everywhere. Look, over there, a man is running around the lake.
Yes, he's running fast. Maybe he's training for a marathon.
Maybe. And next to him, a woman is walking her dog.
Aw, that dog is so cute. It is wagging its tail.
Yes, the dog is jumping and playing with the ball.
Look, two kids are riding their bicycles near the fountain.
I see them, and their parents are sitting on a bench.
They're drinking coffee and talking.
That's right. They're enjoying a peaceful morning at the park.
Oh, look at that family over there. They are having a picnic.
Yes, the mother is preparing sandwiches, and the father is pouring juice.
The little girl is eating a cookie. She looks so happy.
And the baby is sleeping in the stroller. So cute.
The grandparents are smiling and watching their grandchildren.
Such a lovely family moment. Everyone is enjoying the day.
So, learners, remember, we say they are having a picnic, not they have a picnic. That's simple present. But they are having. It's happening right now.
Hey, do you hear that music?
Yes, a group of friends is playing guitar and singing.
That's nice. They're enjoying their afternoon.
Yes, and look, some people are dancing near them.
Yes, they're laughing and clapping their hands.
Music makes everyone happy.
True. So, when we describe what's happening now, we use is or are plus a verb with ing.
Right. For example, she is singing. They are dancing. He is playing the guitar.
Perfect example, Sarah.
Now look at the playground. What are the kids doing?
They are playing football. One boy is kicking the ball and another is catching it.
Yes, and two girls are skipping rope.
Oh, and a group of teenagers is playing basketball near the court.
They are shouting and laughing. They look very energetic.
The coach is watching them carefully.
He is giving them advice.
And the parents are cheering from the side.
What a lively scene. Everyone is moving and having fun. Now let's walk to the other side of the park.
Okay. Oh, look, some people are sitting on the grass and reading books.
Yes, one woman is reading a novel.
Another man is writing in his notebook.
Maybe he is studying or writing poetry.
I like that. I think he is thinking deeply.
And near them, two friends are drinking coffee and chatting.
Yes, they are laughing together. I think they're sharing funny stories.
So, learners, when you look around, try to describe what you see using present continuous. For example, they are reading. He is writing. She is smiling.
Wow, look at the birds in the trees.
Yes, the birds are singing.
And that squirrel is climbing the tree.
Oh, yes, it's eating something. Maybe a nut?
The ducks are swimming in the pond.
And some people are feeding them bread.
Everyone is smiling and enjoying nature.
The park is full of life.
Okay, let's pause for a quick grammar check.
Yes, the present continuous has three forms. I am plus verb-ing. He, she, it is plus verb-ing. We, you, they are plus verb-ing.
Exactly. Let's see examples. I am walking. She is cooking. They are playing.
And don't forget, sometimes we use short forms in speech. I'm walking. He's cooking. They're playing.
Good point. That's how people talk in real life.
Yes. And one more thing. We use the present continuous for things happening right now or around now.
For example, I'm studying English this week, or she's learning to drive these days.
Exactly. Now, let's practice together.
I'll say a sentence, and you try to imagine it. Ready?
Let's go.
The children are playing in the park. The teacher is writing on the board. The birds are flying in the sky. I am drinking water. You are listening to this podcast.
That's right. You are listening and learning English with us right now.
Exactly. That's present continuous in action.
Now, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We use the present continuous tense to talk about what is happening now or around now.
We formula is am, is, or are plus verb-ing.
Exactly. Examples. I am walking. She is cooking. They are playing.
And we can describe everything we see at the park, at home, anywhere.
Yes. Try looking around you right now. What's happening?
Maybe your friend is talking or your phone is ringing.
Use English to describe it. That's how you practice.
Now, here's your challenge.
Write 5 sentences about what's happening around you right now using the present continuous.
For example, I'm sitting at my desk. My friend is studying. The birds are singing outside.
Great practice. Share your sentences in the comments. We love reading them.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Path of Glory for more easy English lessons.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.